Tank the Fire Dog. This black and white pup is Tank. He's a Dalmatian. He works at a fire station. What does he do? Boys and girls, pause the video while you write your first name, last name, and date at the bottom. A fire dog's job. As you read, think about how Tank helps the firefighters. Meet Tank, the fire station Dalmatian. Tank has an important job. He doesn't drive the truck or carry a hose. He helps the firefighters feel good so they can work hard. Country dog. Tank was born on a farm in Iowa. He was a sweet puppy. He loved to play with his brothers and sisters. He loved to snuggle with the people who lived there. One day, those people read something in the news. Some firefighters in New York City wanted a dog for their fire station. Tank's people knew he would be perfect for the job. Look at baby Tank, so adorable. City dog. When Tank was a few months old, he went to New York City. At first, Tank wasn't used to all the city noise. Every time a horn honked, Tank looked up. He didn't know what it was. He wasn't scared, but he was curious. Tank got used to his new home quickly. He loved being with the firefighters. Soon, even the loud noise of the sirens didn't bother him. He was ready to work. Tank helps. Being a firefighter is stressful. It's hard and tiring. Firefighters work long days. Sometimes they work in the middle of the night. It's scary too. The firefighters go into burning buildings. They keep working until all of the fire is put out. The firefighters may still feel stressed when they get back to the station after a fire. Time for Tank! The firefighters can play with him and cuddle him. Don't forget, Tank loves to snuggle. Tank helps them feel better. There are always firefighters at the station 24 hours a day. A call to put out a fire can come in at any time of day. So Tank is at the fire station 24 hours a day too. He sleeps and eats there. He is always ready to help a firefighter out. By Blair Ransford. Tank waits for his friend to get ready. Go, Tank, go!
Dance break!
Move like a firefighter. Grab that truck. Climb that ladder. Spray that hose. Let's dance one more time. Move like a firefighter. Grab that truck. Climb that ladder.
fire dogs long ago. We're going to read the article, then answer the questions. Fire stations had Dalmatians for many years. The dogs used to have a different job. Long ago, fire trucks didn't have sirens, they had dogs. The dogs ran ahead of the trucks. They barked at people on the street. It was their way of saying, "Get out of the way, here comes the fire truck." So here is a picture of fire trucks being pulled by horses with a Dalmatian out front. Oh, this is reminding me of Aunt Flossie's hats and how they had that big fire and those trucks were being pulled by horses too. So that is a long ago. Question 1. What is the article on this page mostly about? Is it about Tank the fire dog? Is that who we talked about up here? Is it from fire dogs from long ago? Is that what we talked about here? Or is it about fire tools from long ago? Is that what was talked about here? What was the article here mostly about? Tank, fire dogs long ago, or fire tools from long ago? What did the fire dogs long ago do? Mine says click, but yours says circle the words that tell you. So come up here, and when you find something that tells you what fire dogs did, give it a circle. Question 3. Find the caption. Captions are what we add to pictures that tell you more about the picture. So find the caption. It's going to be near the picture. What does it tell you? Let me go here. Here is a photograph, and here in this yellow box is a caption of what's happening in the photograph. So here, locate the photograph and locate the caption, and it's going to tell you more about it. Fire dogs used to run ahead of fire trucks. Firefighting is a hard job. Long ago, fire trucks were pulled by horses. Read the caption up here and tell me, is it fire dogs used to run ahead of the fire trucks? Firefighting is hard, or fire trucks were pulled by horses. Question 4. Why don't fire dogs run in front of trucks anymore? Fire trucks have sirens now, so they don't need barking dogs. Fire stations don't have fire dogs anymore. Fire trucks don't make any noise now. Why don't fire dogs run in front of the trucks anymore? So look back and see, is it fire trucks have sirens now? Fire stations don't have dogs anymore? Or fire trucks don't make any noise now?
Have you ever seen a firefighter all suited up? Did you know that a firefighter suit can weigh as much as 50 pounds? Why do they wear all that gear? Each piece has its own important job. A firefighter's coat and pants are made of fireproof material. They protect the firefighter's body from the flames. A hard helmet keeps the firefighter's head safe in case anything falls from above. Thick leather gloves and heavy rubber boots protect the firefighter's hands and feet. When they're not working, firefighters keep their pants rolled over their boots. That way they can quickly pull on both at once. An air tank goes on the firefighter's back with a face mask over the nose and mouth. The tank and mask help firefighters breathe when they're surrounded by smoke. Many firefighters carry an axe. They use the axe to break down doors. Fire hoses connect to hydrants. The hoses spray water on fires. Huge fire trucks carry the firefighters and all their gear. Some fire trucks have big water pumps, and some have tall ladders.
But all of them have loud sirens and bright
flashing lights. So when you hear a fire truck coming down the street, remember that the firefighters are all suited up and ready to work.
What kinds of firefighter gear did you see in the video? Talk about it.
Dress the firefighter. Listen to each sentence. Then click the correct answer to dress the firefighter. Give the firefighter her boots and pants. Firefighters keep their pants rolled over their boots. That way they can quickly pull them both on at once. Now give her the hood. The hood protects her ears and neck. Next, give the firefighter her coat. It has big pockets for carrying tools. Give the firefighter the air tank. The air tank provides clean air to breathe when there is smoke. Give her the face mask. The face mask protects her mouth, nose, and eyes. It also connects